What's going on, everyone? Today is April the 20th, 2022. Yeah, block. The stock is still a buy. I'm not going to show it to you all today by simply looking at the price chart. Yes, the price chart is what everyone is thinking about a particular stock at any particular moment in time. If you guys haven't realized that, this is the mind of every individual who had a vested interest in block, or formerly known as Square. So you guys can actually pinpoint and see what is the mentality of the individuals of the market and try to get in position and capitalize off of the move. You guys can tell I got a price prediction already on the chart for block, and I want to show you all again today that the price may still be bullish. Yeah, I'm still seeing that on the price chart. And if that's the case, then we need to continue to anticipate higher prices. Welcome to my channel. This is what I do. I do price predictions. I place them on a price chart so you all can visually see and track whether or not I am correct or incorrect in my ideas as to where price is going to go. You guys want to join me? You guys want to learn more? Then you hit the right spot. You hit the right video. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe here to my channel. I want you all to grow. I want you all to see that it is readily available, that we can all make money without being complex, without it being complicated, without us even being fearful or emotional human beings. Yes, I did a video in Square or block all the way back here since February the 25th or the 26th. Yeah, so if you guys haven't seen that video, guess what? It's in my playlist. I keep all of my price predictions in the playlist. So just scroll to my channel, go to the block playlist, and it's there. I did an update video for block on March the 18th, still reflecting that I was looking for the stock in block to go up, right here. I was still bullish into the market in block. I was telling you all then to be prepared for the price to go up, and it has. Now, I had an ultimate TP price in block around $153. The high came in so far on March the 29th, right there at 149, right? So it's close to the vicinity to where we was eyeing the market in block to go. And since that time, prices have been in a downtrend, right? Cool, I get it. But if we're looking for the price in block to continue to go up, then what's going on right now, us seeing price go down now in block, should not be a problem, should it? Should it be? Should it not? Because we may want to get rid of it. I'm just saying. If the market is telling us that sellers are controlling the yard, then we need to make sure we get out the way if you're trying to be a buyer, and let the sellers run it until the buyers come back in and take out the sellers. One thing I wanted to show you is that right here, the area that we was looking for the market to get rejected, it pretty much got there right here on March the 29th, right? So, I mean, what's with hairs, right? We knew that the idea of weakness coming into the market in block was going to occur around 150, and it did. So hopefully you was able to come through and take the profitability there, because you would have garnered 24% out the market. If not, hey, the last trade yesterday, you're still sitting in a profitable position at 4.5%. This is what we do. We're not here trying to take everything from out the market. We're simply here to take what it is going to offer to us. And today, we could only get what, 4.5% versus what we could have got on March the 29th of 24. I get it. You also need to know when to leave. Yes. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, because what I've just created, I want to show you all, is that block is consolidating, right? We're trading in the trading range. You see that? We're trading in the trading range. So let's not get too antsy. Let's not get too bullish. Let's not get too bearish, because the stock is just trading in a trading channel right now. But within that trading channel, we can still anticipate prices going up and prices going down. So which one do you think is more likely? Because I want you to show you a midpoint that buyers are holding within this trading range. Can you see that? This is where the buyers are at. This is where they're trying to hold price within this trading channel. So if we're able to see the buyers lift price up off 125 in block, then yeah, we're going to see the price continue to go up. So this is very vital for those looking for a price to go up and block to pay attention right now. We need to see the buyers hold this 125 level, because if we break it to the downside, then we know the next level could possibly be around 95 again. I'm giving you all the play right now. So are you paying attention to this $125 price level? Because I think we should. So I'm going to keep that there. Now let's look at this on the 2-day time frame in block, right? Now you guys can see over the last couple of 2-day price bars, yes, we've seen some selling right here, selling here, and as well as selling there, all selling. But look at this last completed 2-day price bar. The market didn't fall below 125. So what does it mean? Well, it means that buyers came in, because all of the selling on these 3 2-day price bars could not break price below 125. Instead, the market closed higher. So it tells us that the buyers live on to see another day. They live on to see its ability to try to break price higher. Now, on this next move higher, take a look at this. You can also see sellers come in the market right there, though, at 130, 132. So maybe the buyers have enough gas to break price up to 132, and then the breakdown will occur. So what I'm trying to get you all to realize and understand is that the market leaves clues. It leaves its footprint as to where we can expect some price action to occur. So we got buyers here at 120, sellers up here around 132. All right. So let's look at square or block on a 3-day time frame. Okay. So far, it looks pretty good. It looks decent. But my concern, if I'm trying to be a buyer in block, my concern is at 132, right? My concern is seeing the buyers take that out, because if they don't, then we know we're going to continue to dip and go lower, right? 5-day time frame. So what do you think? Because from a 5-day perspective, you need to kind of zoom out as to where the issues are at, because the issues are here. The market could not capitalize off seeing price break 153 to $155. It couldn't do it. So given that that's the case, from a 5-day perspective longer, I'm not bullish, because the price couldn't break above 150 or 155. It should have did that here, but it didn't. Okay. Weekly time frame. See, even here on the weekly perspective, the longer out in time you go, the more weakness you see. If you're trying to scalp this market in block, you can on an intraday basis, because the bullishness is there from that time frame. But you zoom out and you go from a weekly 5-day time frame, there's definitely a little bit more weakness being seen here. All right. So from a timing aspect, it's going to be real important. Look at this here. See that? Last week, the last 2 weekly price bar. And then the next issue, like I told you earlier, is being seen here. That restriction area. Even if block cannot break above 132, I'm going to be weak. I need to see the buyers take that out. If they don't ever take out $132, I know price is going to go down. I know it. And seeing that we're trading below 132 now, 130, lets me to believe I need to continue to follow the market. The answers are already here. So from this perspective, from this time frame, since I come through and don't do a video on an intraday basis for these stocks, I got to play this on a long-term basis, right? And I had to play the weakness. The chart from the long term is still harnessing and showing me that this stock is still weaker than it is giving us the strength right now. But definitely pay attention. Yeah, pay attention to the daily. Pay attention to see if the buyers are going to be able to take out 130, 132, because if so, then the bullishness is still here. The buyers are still here controlling the yard. But as of right now, I will have to play the weakness to the downside. Okay. But look at that. It's only within these 2 horizontal lines, right? It's only within these horizontal lines. I'm not massively bearish right now in block, but I can anticipate it going down, and I am. My first price target is going to be, let me see. I would say around $112, $113. Okay. 112 to 113. No, I would take it 110. First price target will be 110. My second one is going to be down here at 102. Third, it's going to be around 95. Okay. So there it is. I don't think the market is readily available to go up right now. I think that the market is working itself out, which is why I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of weakness on this one. But hey, you might see something totally different, which is cool, right? This is the best thing about the market. It gives us opportunities to come in and make money. Unlimited amounts if you understand how to play this game. So now I want to know, what do you all think price in block is going to do as we go into the month of May? You guys can see earnings is coming up beginning of May. Best believe that that's going to have an impact on where the stock's price is going to go. And it might hurt the price to where we might actually see it break this trend line that I got around 95. Just saying. But tell me, what do you think though? All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.